Kia ora, good evening. From today, New Zealanders suffering from a terminal illness likely to end their life within 6 months will be able to opt for assisted dying. The End of Life Choice Act comes into force following last year's referendum, which saw the country vote in favour. Political reporter Mikey Sherman has more.
Bobby Carroll spent the last 5 years battling cancer. She expects she has another year or two to live, and when the time does come, she wants it on her terms.
I decided that I was going to live my life and not live my death.
From today, assisted dying will be legal after decades of national debate. Last year, 65% of Kiwis voted in favour of it.
The prediction, my experience is I'm having a grisly death. I don't like this. This is too painful or too whatever. I can choose. It's about choice.
There are unfortunately a handful of people at any given time who are suffering terribly at the end of their life, and this will give more control, choice and compassion for them.
But while many will be relieved, others remain concerned. They want other options like more support for palliative care.
This act coming into force is called End of Life Choice, and yet there are people who don't have a choice. They don't have the choice to access palliative care.
He says it's a lottery as hospice services rely heavily on charity and the government should boost funding.
It depends on where you live, it depends on the disease that you might be experiencing, it depends on your ethnicity sometimes. So I think at the moment, although we have very good palliative care services in the country, it's not evenly distributed in any way.
Euthanasia is available only if a terminal illness is likely to end a person's life within 6 months. Researchers say health professionals need to be ready.
Anyone in the health system may receive that first initial conversation around assisted dying, so we need training across the system. It's not just about people who are providing assisted dying services.
The ACT Party, who championed the new law, says today is significant for many.
That gives them comfort, just knowing that that choice is there, even though they might not take it.
A new journey for the end of life. Mikey Sherman, One News.